Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Oberlo Alternative Sourcing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with an Oberlo Alternative Sourcing platform, start by selecting your preferred platform. Visit the official website of that platform. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password for your account. Fill in any additional required information, such as your name and business details. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to them if you accept. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. After submitting your information, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click on the verification link provided in that email. Once verified, you can log in to your new account. Navigate to your account dashboard after logging in. Explore the platform's features and tools. Look for the category related to product sourcing or importing. Browse through the available products or suppliers. Select items that fit your business needs. Add those products to your favorites or import them directly to your store. Adjust any settings related to shipping and pricing as needed. Familiarize yourself with the order fulfillment process on the platform. Keep an eye on inventory levels and supplier ratings. You are now ready to start sourcing products without Oberlo. Begin promoting your store and driving traffic to it. Make adjustments based on performance and supplier feedback. Continue to explore additional features as your business grows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.